An entire IDM document can be exported in the idmXML format specified in ISO 29481 Part 3. The idmXML file can easily be shared with others. Also, an IDM document can be easily formatted and printed in various styles. To export an IDM document as an idmXML file, click the idmXML icon on the menu ribbon. If you want to create an idmXML file with an associated XSLT file, simply browse and specify the path to your XSLT file. Specify where you want to save your idmXML file. Since an IDM document also includes images and BPMN diagrams, the exported idmXML file is saved in the form of a packaged folder with other materials. If you export an IDM document with an XSLT file, you can view an IDMXML file in a formatted style by opening it on Internet Explorer.